How to reset Barclays app password. First of all, open the Barclays app and stay on the login screen. At the top right corner, tap on the help icon that opens the menu option. Next, tap on forget passcode from the list. You will now see the option to reset your passcode. Tap reset, then confirm by tapping OK. Once you do this, your current registration will be cancelled and the app will take you back to the beginning to start the registration process again. Now make sure you have the Barclays account details ready, including your debit card, PIN and mobile number, as you'll need them to re-register. You will be guided through the same steps as when you registered for the first time, like setting a new passcode, verifying your details, and enabling security features such as biometric login if available. After successful re-registration, you will be able to access your account again with your new passcode. Now you know how to reset Barclays app password. If you found this video helpful,